Now, why did Google get into lead generation? The home service industry is worth about $1.74 billion, right? Angie's List, Home Advisor, and then a few years ago there was Amazon Home Services, right? So all these are giant companies. Google is already making over $1 billion, and that's with a B, per quarter, just from Google AdWords. It's a lot of money. But why would they have gotten into this, right? They've seen the success of Angie's List, Home Advisor, Amazon Home Services, and they saw it as an opportunity to make more money, plain and simple. They can get paid much larger dollars getting paid per lead versus per click. The future profit potential of Google with the introduction of Google local service ads is going to be mind blowing once they actually start rolling it out nationwide and in every single city in the US, and then of course they're going to eventually move it over. It's actually in Canada already, but it's going to be. I mean I can't wait to see those their reports, their annual reports, to see what their profit or how much their profit has jumped since the introduction of Google local service ads.